Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Today we are in Essex Marina. We are on this Sealine F34. It's currently advertised with boats.co.uk, around 110,000, and today we're going to give you a quick tour on what this boat has to offer. So at the moment we're starting off in a slightly different location. We are in the master cabin at the moment, so what I'll do is I'll take a step out, give you a quick spin round, and here we are. So it's a nice sized double bed, plenty of storage, both sides, all across the top as well, curtains covering out the window, a couple of decorative pillows, that's cute, and that nice mirror across the back. That's absolutely stunning. I think this boat has a lot to offer considering it's 34 foot. There's storage both sides, but this has a toilet on board, a full size, so toilet and a sink, and you'll notice that sink head is a shower, so this whole thing becomes a wet room, and that is directly accessed from the master bedroom or from the main area straight in. And there I am. Hello everybody. But like I said, 34 foot, there's a lot on this boat, and that's because it's a double cabin. So here we've got plenty more room for storage round behind us, and we've got quite a large size bed that goes round underneath. There's a couple of things in storage under there at the moment, including the infill cushions, so do excuse that. But I think you get the gist. It's quite a nice laid out boat. This takes us up into the helm, lounge and galley area. So we'll start off with the helm. You can see that nice rise up in the helm. Gives great view straight out of the window, but it also allows a little bit more headroom underneath. So that's very well designed. We've got engine instruments across the top, or electricity even, and we have the Raymarine screens with the throttles. Now I believe this has got two Volvo CAD engines. They're sat down the back, they're stern drives, so it's got a bow thruster as well, just to help with the manoeuvrability, even trim tabs as well, just to allow for the wind. It's got quite a lot on this boat. Now, if we take a further step backwards, we're going into the galley area. Oven, sink, even got that kettle over there. Plenty of storage on board, that's the fridge in there. Now, one of the benefits of this boat, more than anything, you'll notice there's a hard roof above us, and that's the flybridge. I'll take you there in a minute. But before we head out there, this is the lounge area. Even the TV in the corner. Nice sized table. This is great for a little bit of dining. I can picture just a small family, you know, a couple of kids, a couple of adults. This is perfect for them. But like I said, 34 foot, one of the benefits about that is it will keep the mooring costs down. So the smaller the boat you're looking at, the smaller the costs of keeping it are, which is one of the best things about this boat, is the amount that's got impacted, or not impacted, compacted into it. Even with a nice bench seat across the back, which would be fantastic as you're cruising along. Even nice sized diving platform, so when you're moored up, jump into the sea. It's even got a boarding ladder off the back to help you get back on. And this is where it gets interesting. Like I said, 34 foot, there's a lot that you've got to compact into here, but it is a flybridge. And here we are. So I'll take you into the helm area first. So we've got the controls up here. That's because you can take the controls from downstairs and go up here. And if we grab the seat up here, let me show you what it's looking like straight out the front. Picture that on a sunny day, cruising along. Just absolutely brilliant. That's a very, very lovely view. Nice size helm seat as well. You got enough room for maybe 3 or 4 people there that you could quite happily all just sit looking straight out the front. And like I said, it makes a great day boat, and it's even got infill cushions that go here, making this a nice sunbathing area. And this is what makes this boat. 100%. The flybridge is what makes it. Now, what we'll do is we'll come back down the stairs. I'll do a quick spin around and straight out the side. And that takes us to the bow, which shows even more potential for entertaining, with a large sun deck across the front there, and it's even got the anchor locker underneath here, and it's all electric windlass. And it's a nice feature as well, if I close that back up, that the anchor, you can't see it off the front, it's all hidden underneath the nose, so that keeps it nice, neat and tidy. There's the window, just heading down into the cabin, create a bit of natural light, and that's what it looks like from the front. She's a stunner. And like I said, 110 grand, that's not too bad of a price for the amount that you're getting. And because, like I said, it's 34 foot, that really keeps the costs down. So this makes this boat an actual bargain for people that just want to get out onto the water, but want that slightly larger boat with that cabin. It's got everything that you could need for this kind of boat. So, leaves me to say, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please do remember to like and subscribe. This boat is currently for sale with boats.co.uk, so head over to them if you want to check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. Or if you're looking at something similar, but not quite this boat, we've got plenty of stock over at boatmarketplace.co.uk as well. So head over to there and check out, and hopefully you'll find what you like. So yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day, everyone. Goodbye.